If you want to log into your Epic Games account, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get signed in quickly and without confusion. This is a simple tutorial whether you're using the Epic Games website or the Epic Games launcher on your computer. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Or if you already have it installed, open the Epic Games launcher. Both options will take you to the same account sign-in process, so you can use whichever one is easiest for you. Once the page or launcher loads, look for the sign-in button. This is usually found near the top right of the website, or in the main login area if you're using the launcher. Click Sign In to begin the process. After that, you'll see the Epic Games login form. Here, enter the email address that is connected to your Epic Games account. Make sure you type it correctly, because even a small mistake can stop you from signing in. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double check that your caps lock key is off and that you're using the correct password for your account. If you've forgotten your password, you may need to use the password recovery option before continuing. Once your email and password are entered, click Sign In to finish logging into your Epic Games account. If your details are correct, you should be taken directly to your account dashboard, library, or launcher home screen. If you run into any issues, take a moment to confirm that your email is correct, your password is up to date, and your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes logging in can also require extra verification depending on your account security settings, and that's it. You've now learned how to log into your Epic Games account using either the website or the launcher. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.